Alright, so here's a quick little update video. I don't know if you would call this an update video, more or less it's a instructions on how to download this. So, the requirements for downloading this is you have to still have the Playtest 5 beta files. We have a link to it on the GitHub. You have to have Python installed and you have to have Poetry installed. Both of those you can go find a tutorial. But you want to go to this code thing and you want to copy this link. You want to scroll down and you want to do cmd and you want to do git clone and then space and the link, and it'll basically make the server files in your local disk, your users, and then yourself. You want to go into DND server and you want to rename this file from config.example to config. That's a big part. It won't work if that's not renamed. So then you want to do cd DND server. That'll select the file, and then you want to do poetry install. This is where you have to have poetry or it doesn't work, and it'll install it to the project. You want to do poetry shell. That'll spawn the shell in the file, and then alembic upgrade head. That'll do that. I'm not sure what that does as of right now, but I'll get more information on that. And then you want to do python -m dnd server .server. And that'll start the server up. And then you want to go to, if you have the shortcut for the Docker A5, you want to go to properties, and you want to change this last part. It should be something else. You want to change this last part to the thing right here. And I think I accidentally opened it. I opened the wrong version of the game, my bad. But you want to open it from this shortcut, not an old shortcut. Like if you have you pinned to taskbar, it's not going to do it. Is this recording it? Okay, there we go. So we're able to go in, you're able to make your account. It doesn't save any player data yet, so it doesn't really matter to learn your thing, like learn your passcode and all that. We only have so many handlers in the game right now. Why did that just fail to connect to server? Oh, okay, I think I opened it from the wrong one again. My bad. There's still some technical issues, so sorry if anything like that happens. Alright, so we're gonna do username, password, whatever. Log in. And I'll give you a recovery key. You just click save and then OK. It doesn't really matter to keep your recovery key. But right now, you're able to create any character, really. The only thing is we don't have, it doesn't change the player model for the other classes yet, so if you pick Rogue, you're still going to have the Barbarian stuff. But we still need to implement all the starting gear, but we have this working. This is the main part. We have inventory space working, but the thing is actual stash doesn't work. We need to code in all these little boxes. But putting on stuff works. I don't know why it starts you with an arming sword. I think it's set to a certain thing and it doesn't let you... We don't have it implemented to have all the stuff for every class yet. But merchant items are all here. But I think it's only, yeah, it's only a set of a few things. We need to make them individual for each one. So we only have some basic stuff. Trading does work, like you're able to do it, but it doesn't work like you're able to become a trader, but we don't have the actual like trading servers. Gathering Hall doesn't work because you have to be level 5. I think we got perks and skills working. Yeah, we did. So we're able to swap out perks and skills and all that. And you can swap all your items, all your skills. Technically the high roller leaderboard does work, but we don't have any stats on this version, like on this client. There is a video by Salamich, and he's another guy that I'm working with on this, with Snacky, and he has a video on that video of him watching Snacky's version where he was able to connect multiple multiple clients together in one party. So we have the party system working. You're able to see who else is in your server through this. But obviously it's just me in this server, so it's 1 out of 1, nobody in. But yeah, that's what we have so far. I will give y'all, I'm going to try and keep the update schedule to 3 days. Every 3 days I'll try to make a video on what we have so far, or it might be longer depending on how long it takes us to get noticeable differences and noticeable updates. But that's the end of this video. Signing out.